Hi, it's Chris from Tango Work. We're chatbot consultants. In this tutorial, we'll look at providing some additional variety to the responses. For example, instead of just saying hi there every time, we'll alternate it with hola and good day. And when we say what kind of insurance are you looking for, wouldn't it be easier if we presented some buttons like car and house? And when we present the car one, it would be nice to throw an image in there. Those are the three main ways that we can spice up responses in Rasa: by selecting them at random, by introducing buttons, and by introducing images. To do that, we go to the Responses tab. To add multiple responses to the same template, we just add the plus sign and select the same template again, utter_greeting, and we say hola. We add the plus sign again, select utter_greeting, and say good day. Now we have three possible responses for this template, and they'll be selected at random. To add buttons, it's not difficult. We just select the template type, select this little image icon, and it brings us to the response template editor. We need to know a little bit of syntax, but it's not difficult. We just say buttons, and then on a new line, we'll provide the title and the payload. This is what is actually sent to the bot, just in case it differs. And we get a nifty little preview of what those buttons will look like over on the right. We'll save that. And finally, for the car, we do the same thing. We select the little image icon and it brings us to the template editor. But all we do is we go image colon, and then we paste a URL. We see a preview of it immediately. We save it. And now we train and make our model active. Now let's try it in the chat. We say hi, and one of our new responses is chosen at random. We're presented with three different buttons. We'll click car, and it responds, and we see the image. So we've done three things to spice up our responses. We've added an image. We've added buttons, which are a little faster than typing. And we've also selected utterances at random.